Welcome to the new version 2 update tutorial. This goes over the same things as the first tutorial, but it covers new items that are available in the tool. So to start with any avatar, you're going to set a save location. It has to be inside your project's assets folder. So in this case, I'm just going to save it to this test folder. Give your avatar name. It does not matter too much what you name it, but it will help if you have multiple avatars in the same project. Next, wherever your blend shapes or your skinned mesh renderer is, you'll want to drag that into this avatar prefab. In this case, it's this body, and then you'll see that all of your blend shapes will appear down here, and it will tell you how many are detected on the avatar and how many the tool will use to create your VRM. The new changes to this tool include a mode switcher. This allows you to select between ARKit and unified expressions. The tool has full support for all unified expressions and can generate a VRM with them. I'll throw a photo up on the screen of what that can look like. In this case, I'm going to use ARKit because I don't have a unified expressions test model. The other new advanced setting is this relative body, and I'll talk about that in a minute. So now just hit setup data, and you'll see that it'll take just a moment, but it will create all of the blend shape clips that you need. Now, this is where that name comes into play. You can see that your name underscore clips and your name underscore avatar. Then if we drag that in here, you can see that as I check a few shapes, you can see they all show up. Now that relative body, what that is if this name or your blend shapes render is not whatever this is named, you can throw a custom relative body in here and it will override the setting. So in this case, if it was, MDL underscore body, it will work. If you don't do that and the names don't match, it will not work, as the tool will look for the wrong relative body. So that is how to use this tool in version 2.